In this slide, you can see a sample data record within Elasticsearch. As we discussed previously, Elasticsearch saves the records in form of documents, JSON documents. Here you can see we have some metadata and we have some fields within that document. Metadata is basically the data which defines this particular document. In RDBMS terms, this particular record. So within metadata, you can see we are defining the index, we are defining type, and we also have a unique ID for this particular document. Then there is something called version, which is just the version of that particular document. Every time you update this record, the version will be incremented. After metadata, you'll also find something called underscore source. This is where your field's actual data is stored, and it is in the raw format in which the data was added into the document. For now, you can ignore found. We will discuss about it when we talk more about queries in Elasticsearch.